How to save photo in Lightroom Classic. Hello everyone, this is Sabrina here to help you today. So without any further ado, let's get right into the video. So launch your CapCut and import a photo or basically photos, and then edit it the way you want. And now if you want to save the photo, what you have to do is click on the photo and then tap on this three dot. Here you will see this option, save copy to device, or you can also tap on the share icon. There will also be an option of save copy to device. Just like this, you will be able to save photo in Lightroom. So that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you got any question, comment them down and I'll catch you in the next one.